Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and good afternoon, all the committees. Thank you for this opportunity so we can present our research. Well, our research is entitled with Dynamic EFL Learning Application through Assembler Edu for Student Creative Writing. As we know that in this digital era, we need to be able to know how to utilize any kinds of digital technology to be able to synchronize with this condition and also able to improve and help our students for their English skill. Well, ladies and gentlemen, so in this research, we have some of background of study. The first, we have notes about the era, how the technology is change and it has rapid change for the education, especially for English English student or EFL learners, because they need to be able to utilize any kind of technology for their skills. And we as a teachers also need to be able to engage with our student with technology. How could we be able to give understanding about technology function or any kind of application function to our student in relation with their skill or improving their English skill? And technology utilization also become our reason here because in this digital era, we need to be able to know how to utilize the technology or online platform or something like any kind of platform which is able to help our student in improving their skill, especially in the language skill. And beside of that also, with this technology, we could be able to activate our student creativity because we know that in technology, any kinds of platform we be able to use for our student creative skill or critical thinking or information and gaining the information, and then after that they could be able to express their ideas. And the next is about writing skill is still have a many obstacle in the EFL learner for the EFL learners. So that is why as a teachers we need to be able to find out the ways or strategy, what thing that is able to support our student motivation and help our student creative writing or our language skill, something like that. And as we know that for the information, I'm sorry, for the information also, this technology era has provide many application which is it is free and we could be able to use it freely without any limitation, sometime without any payment. And in this Assembler Edu, it is free for our student and also for us. And beside of that also in this Assembler Edu, they provide augmented reality for our student creative writing. Well, related to this era also, we have knows about 21st century learning, be based on the Vanguard, it all at 2028 and also UNESCO at 2018. That in this 21st century, we have to be able to encourage our student to implement or having 4C, critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and communication. In this critical thinking, I believe that our student has already having their critical thinking because when they are trying to open the social media and they are trying to criticize it, and also sometimes they are trying to comment or giving some feedback from some post, means they have already used their critical thinking. But in this creativity, we need to stimulus our student creativity. In relation with their English skill, especially, they still need to be a creative, especially in writing skill. They need to be able to find out how to express their ideas, how to express their emotion through written text, and it could be creativity. And then collaboration, and I believe that all the teachers maybe have already implemented the collaboration work for our student. To make sure that our student has already implemented the collaboration, we could be able to see how they could be able to socialize how they are able to interact with others in our classroom activity, for the example. And then the last is communication. In this communication is a soft skill, which is the very high demand, which need to be improved by all peoples in this era, because communication is a tools to communicate, is a tool to express our ideas, our argument, our feeling and emotion orally. So through this communication also we could be able to express anything what we feel through the written text. So this 21st century learning related to the 4C could be implemented through this assembler edu. Well, actually, what is creative writing? As we know that this creative writing is a kind of process creating works that inspire, entertain, and can arouse freedom of expression artistically and seem more original. That's based on Tenaja Oko and El Sulukia 2023. Means these creative writing are able to be implemented by our students through their expression, which is they don't have to think about something hard, but as long as they would like to entertain someone or entertain giving expressing their argument or ideas to entertain someone to giving the information entertainingly or inspiring someone, it called the creative writing. And another's views that imagination to create stories, poem, or others work that are able to connect readers with the various concept ideas and realities are also called creative writing. In this moment, we can say that arranging some of stories or encourage our students to arrange some poems or any kinds of thing which is no limited with some kind of strategy in writing process and something like they need to do something academically. um, it's not called creative writing. So in this creative writing, students are able to express any kinds of their ideas with any kind of format, something like stories, short stories, or poems, or any kind of thing which could be able to be conceptualized be based on their ideas and realities, of course. And then the next is based on Mahdi, that the process of expressing ideas, emotion, and feeling freely in writing without being tied to a particular scientific source. So this is a creative writing. We can encourage our students without any limitation that they have to think about academic resources or something like references, but we can encourage our students to express their ideas or emotion or feeling with a free format or something, anything they could be able to express writtenly. So this is creative writing. And then how to improve our writing skill related to this era. And actually, through the creative writing, I believe that students are able to improve their writing skill, because the first thing they need to do is doing a creative or a creative thing. The creative thing here is creative writing, and through this creative writing they could be able to express their ideas, their feeling freely, and then after that they could be able to learn more, become organizedly, and it's become writing skill. And also they could be able to utilize the technology, which is a lot of application we could be able to use for education, teaching, and learning process. And based on POCREL, that practice with creative writing is one of the facilitate or the way how to improve our student writing skill. And actually, what is Assembler Edu? In this research, we are trying to use the Assembler Edu as the media for our student. So we know that Assembler Edu is the digital application specifically designed for learning and teaching with the support of augmented reality and visual reality. So in this application, we can support our student to be more creative, not only be based on the text, but also they could be able to edit their picture becomes augmented reality, or they could be able to edit some kind of video become a virtual virtual reality. And then with this Assembler Edu also that deal with the conflict in a constructive and positive manner. So there will be a lot of conflict or something like obstacle maybe for the beginner, because if they don't have any basic to edit some of videos or some of creativity. So that is why we could be able to constructive work here, just something like we could be able to find some of the ideas first, and then be based on the ideas we could be able to provide some of the picture or videos, and then we can try to edit it and work cooperatively. Yes, in this cooperatively, I believe that it is related to 21st century learning, because in the 21st century learning, we can encourage our students to collaboratively or doing our working in a collaboration. And the last is initiate collaboration within team, school, and partnership across. Well, so through this Assembler Edu, actually we can use this in the across school or across theme, which student or teacher not only collaborate with their friends in the classroom also, but also could be able to collaborate in different classrooms, something like in different school or institution. If but in in this part, we need to pay some of payment or charge for using this Assembler Edu in this collaboration part. So in this research, actually, we don't implement this kind of initiative collaboration with it, different school or different or across partnerships, because we still use a free. And then what research methodology use? This is a qualitative descriptive method within three type of data collection are used. The first is survey, and the second one is interview, and then the third one is test. So the test is only to make sure that they have a well improvement to our student related to their creative writing in using this application. And then the sample of this research is 38 university student from fourth semester student at the Universitas Muhammadiyah Tangerang, located in Banten, Indonesia. Well, this is the finding and discussion that 97.70% respondents said that Assembler Edu assists in motivating to express their ideas written with augmented reality combination. So to make our writing is it looks like live, provide augmented realities better. So that is why in this moment also the students are able to write something, and then after that they could be able to provide with augmented reality based on their own videos or their own pictures. And then Assembler Edu um, Similar Edu application is one of the attractive media to provide student creative writing, because this application also provide audiovisual, text, voice, game, or we can say that this application is suitable with 21st century learning indicators, which called multimodal media. As we know that in this digital era at 21st century learning, we have notes about multimodality or multimodal learning. So in this moment, actually, we can say that using this Assembler Edu, which is free application, student can encourage to use the text voice games, and then provide some kind of their own picture or video, and then text. Then after that, the reader could be able to read with the full color of text, or providing with any kind of picture also and video. So it could multimodal media learning, or multimodal learning could be. The Assembler Edu application also hope to assist teachers in processing abstract material into concrete realms, increasing our understanding to that they can connect the interrelationship between concept of change and development that exists in the real world independently, critically, and creatively through 3D viewing. Yes, in this Assembler Edu application, teachers could be able to utilize this with some kind of from abstract material become a concrete material, looks like concrete material, because they could be able to use 3 dimension format or style, and also they could be able to use augmented reality or virtual reality. So it seems like a real situation. Actually, in this questionnaire for educative writing, we could be able to see from this statistic also that we are trying to give some of question, and the question to answer be based on the agree, disagree, and natural. And although unfortunately, our student is agree with any kinds of a assembler edu function, positive function, and then the natural is only sums of them a little bit. Well, and then this is the overview of Assembler Edu. And actually, this Assembler Edu application can be used in laptop and also in a cell phone. But the first thing we have to do is register. We can register with our Google email, and then after register, if we register as a teacher, so automatically we can have a code, and then the code could be shared to our student. And after getting the code, student are able to enter the class through the Assembler Edu. Well, thank you very much for the understanding, and thank you very much also for the attention. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.